Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Maraming mga lugar ang walang pasok bukas sa October 13. Yung iba ay October 13 to 14. Halimbawa na lang itong sa National Capital Region or NCR. Meron silang advisory na suspension of face-to-face classes in DepEd National Capital Region sa public schools on October 13 to 14. Bakit ba sila nagsuspend ng classes? Ito ay dahil sa tumataas na ng incidence nitong influenza-like illnesses among learners. Yung bang inuubo at saka nilalagnat yung mga estudyante. Pati na rin yung mga personnel, dumadami ang ganun na cases sa National Capital Region. Actually, hindi lang sa NCR, pati sa ibang mga provinces ay ganun din. At dahil na rin sa recent series of earthquake affecting various parts of the country. Kaya nga itong DepEd, National Capital Region issues this advisory to ensure the continuity of learning while prioritizing the health, safety, and structural security to all public schools. Pero ang totoo niya mga ka-Jesnabs, maraming nagrarahali ngayon doon, Baka hindi lang nila sinasabi dito sa kanilang advisory. Sabi pa dito, to provide time for disinfection, sanitation, and building inspection. All face-to-face classes in public schools in the NCR are suspended on October 13 to 14, 2025. So mag-implement sila ng ADM o alternative delivery modalities, either synchronous or asynchronous. Tapos yung mga schools ay gagamitin yung suspension. Sa una ay mag-conduct ng cleaning, disinfection of classrooms and common areas. B. Carry out structural and safety inspections of school buildings and facilities. C. Prepare for the facilitation or implementation of drills on earthquake preparedness and other emergency protocols. So take note nyo, prepare pa lang ito. Letter D ay reinforce health and safety practices among learners, personnel, and parents. So yung mga private ay pwede po silang i-encourage sila, highly encouraged to observe and conduct these measures. Ito rin yung ibang mga lugar na nagsuspend ng pasok. Yung Agusan del Sur Province, no classes, all levels, public at saka private. Apektado po ito sila sa nagdaang lindol, Yung Davao Oriental Provinces, no face-to-face classes, all levels, public schools. General Santos City, no face-to-face classes, all levels, public and private. Sa dalawang araw, October 13 and 14. Ganun din sa Tandag City, Surigao del Sur. No face-to-face classes, all levels, public and private. Okay, ingat po kayo mga ka-Jesnabs, At baka meron pa mga aftershock dyan na mga lindol, Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa.